Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Garlic is considered to be one of the most powerful and cost-effective superfoods available. This incredible ingredient contains a variety of beneficial compounds and has been used for centuries to promote health and well-being. In this video, we will explore why garlic deserves a place in your regular diet and how to properly consume it to reap its amazing benefits. With its sharp, pungent flavor, garlic adds a distinctive punch to any dish. However, beyond enhancing taste, garlic offers a wealth of positive effects on the body and mind. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is thought to be responsible for many of its therapeutic properties. Allicin is formed when garlic cloves are crushed or chewed, allowing an enzyme called alliinase to mix with a compound called allicin. This reaction produces allicin, which gives garlic its distinctive smell and potent medicinal qualities. The health benefits of garlic are wide-ranging. It possesses antimicrobial, antiviral, and antioxidant effects, which help to strengthen the immune system. Garlic has been shown to help fight off colds and flu, and its antioxidant content protects cells against damage from free radicals, which are linked to chronic diseases. Additionally, garlic displays anti-cancer activities and may discourage tumor growth. In addition, garlic promotes heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels, acting as a mild blood thinner, and reducing the risk of clots and stroke. Garlic also improves circulation and artery health, and its anti-inflammatory properties can ease joint pain from arthritis. Furthermore, garlic may enhance brain function and discourage neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It can even alleviate heavy metal toxicity. With all of these incredible wellness benefits, it's clear that garlic is far more than just a flavor booster. Adding more garlic to your cooking is an easy and budget-friendly way to boost your health every day. Just be sure to consume garlic properly to get the full effect. Here are some key tips. Garlic must be consumed raw, as cooking or overheating causes it to lose many of its medicinal qualities. Adding raw garlic at the end of cooking retains its benefits. You can also consume raw garlic finely minced in dressings, dips, or smoothies. When preparing garlic, let crushed cloves rest for 10 minutes before eating or cooking to allow full enzyme activity and formation of beneficial compounds. Store garlic correctly in a cool, dark place under 75 degrees to prevent degradation of active ingredients. Avoid humidity, which can cause garlic to spoil faster. Do not store peeled cloves in direct sunlight and consume garlic as soon as possible for maximum potency, as compounds begin degrading over time. Eat enough garlic to gain the most anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and disease-fighting benefits. Aim for at least 2 to 5 grams of garlic a day, which equates to about 1 to 2 cloves. You can also take aged garlic extract supplements, as studies show aged garlic is more bioavailable than other types of supplements. Always crush, slice, or mince garlic clove before consuming. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy diet tips and tricks. And if you have any other questions, leave a comment below.